I am very excited about this exhibit because this is my first solo on an international stage.
Ngayon Mayo, sa ika-10 edisyon ng Art Vancouver, makikita ang mga obra ni Melanie Payumo Ditan.
Because of all the things that I've been through, art has been my refuge. It has been my way of expressing myself.
Isang full-time dental professional sa Surrey, 2009 nang lumipat sa Canada mula Pilipinas. Aniya ang pagpipinta araw-araw ng mga makulay na obra, isa raw sa kanyang kontribusyon sa mundo.
I am hoping and dreaming someday I could be a full-time artist wherein every waking day of my life, I can just create the paintings that I have in mind. Because honestly, I have so many ideas and they're all written down in a book, and I hope my lifetime is enough to make all those paintings.
Ang mga gawa ni Dan, meron din daw mga inspirational message. Aniya sa likod ng bawat obra, mga panalangin tuwing siya'y nagpipinta.
It's very energized and inspiration that there is so much abundance in our life, and she's ready to reap the blessings of whatever it is that she endeavored to work on. This is such a perfect balance po of strength and kindness. We have the capacity to make it better again.
Sa Art Vancouver ngayong taon, ang kauna-unahang solo exhibit ni Dan kung saan higit 20 mga obra niya ang tampok.
My hope when people see my art is that they will be more focused on the celebration of being alive and adding more color to their lives.
Maaring bisitahin ang solo exhibit ni Melanie May 28 hanggang 31 sa Vancouver Convention Center. Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Surrey.